Create a distinct contemporary look with an electric fireplace from SimpliFire. Two new 36 and 58-inch linear models provide an instant upgrade to your home. SimpliFire fireplaces do not require venting and can easily be installed anywhere. Simply hang on the wall with the included bracket, plug it in, and instantly enjoy modern style and ambient comfort. The remote adjusts the flames to 4 different intensity settings and controls heat output. More than 10 LED backlight colors can be set to rotate or remain constant. Enjoy low operating costs, around 5 cents an hour. Experience a modern electric fireplace from SimpliFire, and experience fire made simple.